Hello and welcome to Craftify AI tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to use a completely free and easy to use marketing tool from Craftify AI without having a login or without having a subscription with us. This is something that we want to offer to the general public, and you can also get a feel for also how awesome our tools are. So at our link, craftify.ai/tools, you'll see that we have a UTM builder, a QR code generator, raffle generator, and a virtual business card. Now, all of these are completely free and easy to use, and they don't come with any exterior costs. Like, honestly, a lot of places to make a QR code, you have to pay monthly to have that QR code active. Ours is completely free forever. So let's work on a virtual business card together, also known as a vCard. Now, when you choose this, create our vCard, we're going to give a little bit of information about what we're talking about. What business are we trying to use for this card? So I'm just going to use our example of Craftify.ai, and our company name, obviously, is Craftify AI. All right. So we'll send login information to your email so that you can use this vCard at any time in the future. So you want to go ahead and give that information here. I'm going to just use a random info that I have. This is not related to the company. It can be any email that you choose to use. You can also add a secondary email that would be a part of your vCard. You can add a phone number as well. You can also add any personal information if you'd like this to be personalized to your personal name or someone in your company. Add their job title, add their appointment URL so they can sign up with you. Come down to the address line and you can choose an address, add any of that information also as well. And then social links. If you want to add a social link, you can do that here as well. I'm just going to go ahead and add ours. Anything that you're interested in using, you can add that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click Create vCard. And while it's generating, it's almost ready. You're going to go and check your email and you'll see the link to then be able to view and share your virtual business card. So in the second part of this tutorial, I'm going to show you what it looks like once you've opened that business card. Okay, once you've logged into your email and you've clicked view your card, you can see it easily right here. It'll automatically open up. From here, you'll see whatever name or title you gave. You'll see the QR code. You can share this code instantly by just copying the link. You can also download this code with all of the relevant information. It will also create a contact card for you to download here. You can then also, from your QR code, which has all of the information you need for your digital virtual card, you can download an SVG or a PNG, so it's really easy for you to have that printed for any of your promotional materials. You'll also see links to your email and to the website that you provided, as well as any of the social links here at the bottom. So I hope this was super easy and helpful for you. Another thing I want to talk about is that you can order your NFC card, so a physical digital card that when you tap that on a smartphone, it will automatically download into your lead's contact card. So it's incredibly useful. So you can also order one at any time directly from Craftify AI. Again, this is a free tool for you to be able to use with Craftify AI without having a technical subscription with us. So we want to offer this as a free added value so you can also see how awesome our tools are and maybe just a little bit of a glimpse of what using Craftify AI could be if you were to subscribe. So we hope that you have found this useful and you're able to use this for your marketing efforts. I hope you have a great day, and any questions, leave them in the comments. Now let's talk about how to edit your vCard. So you have now created the vCard, and what you need to do, I can't show you this part of the process because you need to open your email, your personal email. You should have received an email from Craftify AI saying that we've created a profile for you so that you can edit your vCard anytime in the future. Automatically with that, you will get a 7-day free trial to be able to use that profile to work on your vCard and also create other content with Craftify AI. For those 7 days, you have full access to all of our features. And you can try a little bit of all of that out. However, after that 7 day trial is finished, and if you don't want to subscribe, you don't have to. You can always still, through this login, access your vCard. Now, I'm going to show you how to access that vCard. You'll be in the main dashboard, will look similar to this, and then you'll come over here to the left-hand side to contents. From there, your all crafts section will probably look just like this, but with just one of these objects here. This is our vCard that we just created. So go ahead and click continue, and it'll come up with a preview of what you've already created. You can come over here to configure, and you can change any of the information that's present here, okay? So let's, for example, I have Gloria Silva here, but I haven't changed her email. So let me go ahead and put Gloria here, make sure her email is correct, etc. You can change any of the information that you previously added to your vCard, okay? Now, you can choose then update vCard. And from here, you can choose two different paths, create new, or you can update the existing card. Now, if you create new, you'll have a completely new card created, and you will have a different QR code also generated. However, if you update existing, you'll be able to retain the same QR code as you had before, and it will just have the different information added to that QR code. So let's go ahead and click update existing. And that way we have the same card, the same code, but we've changed to the correct information. And there you go. You can still share and save from here. So as long as you would like to be able to use this V card, you can do so in Craftify AI without any obligation of subscription. However, we hope during the 7 day trial you absolutely love it. And so give it a try. Try out some of our other features as well. The last aspect of your V card is important to see the insights later on once you've seen some views, how many people have downloaded your card, etc. And you can do that by coming over to the Insights tab, which we find here. And under the business profile section, you're going to see how many people have downloaded the V card that you've made. So this is an excellent way for you to be able to see all of your other analytics, everything you've posted to Instagram, for example, your website health, email campaigns, Google reviews, all of these things can be found right here in the Insights tab. But it's important that you can see your vCard downloads here.